So without any further ado, I'm going to turn it over to Dietrich, who's going to bring you the first 5-minute session on Cala Software.
Thanks. Good morning, everybody. Yes, my name is Dietrich. I'm working for Cala Software. Business Development Manager is my job title, and I'd like to introduce you a little bit into our company and to a product that we've got, which is PDF Chip. So first, Cala Software. We are a PDF company developing PDF software right in the center of Berlin, capital of Germany. We have 3 product lines. First one is PDF-A Pilot, that is related to PDF-A. You have learned about that in this session in this room right before. So it's about archiving and PDF-A. Second product is PDF Toolbox, that is for print and publishing. And the new product that we have is PDF Chip, and that is about PDF creation. Cala Software develops product for integration and automation. So we've got an interactive desktop tools for PDF Toolbox and PDF-A Pilot, but the main thing that we are developing are tools for solutions for being integrated on command line as a web service or a programming library. And that is a little bit about how Cala Software relates to the world. So we are actively working at ISO. You think that PDF standards are important, so we're involved in PDF-A and PDF-X. We have worldwide sales channels run by our distributor 4Ps. We have many OEM customers, and that actually is where most of our revenue is coming from. There are big ones, and then there are rather smaller ones. And it may be that you never have purchased a copy of our products, but you nevertheless use our products as part of the solution, for instance, from Adobe or from Foxit or so forth. So that's about Cala Software. And now the product, which is PDF Chip, a new product, and that is for PDF creation. As I have said, everything that we do is about automation and integration. And we thought about a product for actually creating PDF, and that not by means of an interactive tool or so, where you can design a page. It is about integrating PDF creation into a process. And so we were looking for a page description language, and we actually end up with using web technologies for that, meaning HTML and so forth. And what we've done is inside of PDF Chip, the WebKit is working, which is the same browser engine that is being used in Safari. So just a regular browser engine, and that gives you all abilities that you have in web design and web publishing, meaning you can separate content from layout, which is a principle in web publishing, and that allows you to do template-based publishing, meaning you have a layout and a template, and you just merge it with the actual content on the page. You can individualization by JavaScript, and you have a highly performant engine that allows you to interpret the page description language that you've got. So we found that a very useful thing to use the WebKit stuff, the WebKit browser engine. But of course, if you think about PDF, not everything allows you HTML to do. So for instance, it's not easy to have page breaks or pagination, meaning page numbers on each page, running headers. So there are several stuff that is missing in HTML. So what we have done, we have added to the HTML language whatever was missing there. And then, of course, we've connected that with the PDF engine that we already had. And that is PDF Chip. So what it is being used for, PDF Chip, of course, it feels at home in multi-channel environments where you want to create content not just as a PDF file, but also in the web, for instance, and where you have principles like web first or mobile first. You can create a web to print application. You can use it for invoice creation where you have highly dynamical data. And I've got a few examples. This is a web-to-print application where a user can design a greeting or an invitation in this example, and in the background of the application, a PDF is being created for print. This is another example. It's a label printer, and it's individual labels. And we will have some more 5 minutes right after lunch here, where we go more into detail about PDF and web publishing. Thank you very much.
Thank you. We next have, screwed up, Active PDF. Who's presenting for Active? Is Mike here? Great. Your 5 minutes starts now.
Great, thank you, Duff. Hello, everybody. Thank you for coming. As a proud sponsor of PDF Association Technical Conference 2015, we are delighted to see you here. Now, some of you have just come from my presentation just ended 5 minutes ago, so maybe one of you guys want to come up and give the talk, but that's fine. Who is ActivePDF? ActivePDF is an engine. It is a PDF engine. Think of this as a tool which is a horizontal platform. The guys sitting in the basement at the hospital writing code to manage documents is the same guy sitting in the basement of the bank writing code. They've got a document workflow that goes through. They need to take PDF functionality and add it to their document workflow. You will find this. You will find our PDF automation customers in all sorts of industries: healthcare, government, educational, finance, anybody who's got a document workflow that needs PDF functionality added to it. In 10 seconds, well, in 5 seconds, it's a developer tool to embed feature-rich PDF functionality into your server-side Windows-based applications. What does that all mean? Well, you're going to drive this engine with your code. You can write it in .NET, you can write it in COM. COM, yeah, well, we have lots of legacy customers after 16 years that are still running COM. We continue to support those guys. We're talking about high volume repeatable functions. We want to take this engine and drop it into your document workflow, add your PDF functionality. We are built from the ground up as a server-side application. We want to take advantage of all the power, the hardware that you have available to you. We are not in the desktop world. We all have those wonderful, wonderful desktop personal productivity tools that we all use. We know, we love, we use them all the time. Every day we use these files. That is not who ActivePDF is. The whole point is PDF automation for enterprise-wide applications. What kind of functionality can you get in your PDF automation? Well, what kind of PDF functionality do you get in those wonderful desktop applications? Pretty much anything you can do that you're familiar with, that you do every day to get your PDFs to be just the way you want them, you can automate those processes. You need to print to PDF, great. You've got files you need to convert to PDF, from PDF to PDFA. You need to append, merge, extract pages, extract text. ActivePDF will be there for you. HTML to PDF, ActivePDF will be there for you. You want to get started. You want to know how to get this thing to run. Go see examples.activepdf.com. Every product that's there has a suite of examples, downloadable, fully functionable examples. You run them, they work. You say, oh, okay, I see how these things work. And now you can start tweaking them to do exactly what it is you need to do. You want to download it in C# and run it there? Great. You want to run it in ASP Classic? Fantastic. We're going to put it there. We'll help you get started anytime you want. Quick use case, DocuSign. I know there's some folks here from DocuSign. They've been a customer of ours for a long time. We had a conversation with them just a couple of months ago, talking about what they're doing and how they're doing and what they need. They're our customers. It's 2 o'clock in the afternoon. We asked them what their document count was, and it was over 1 million at that point a day. So I don't know how many they ended up with, but it was well over 1 million. And the takeaway from these guys is that when you need it right, and you need it now, and you need it every time, Active PDF provides the support, the knowledge, and the confidence that you need. We're not just for the big guys. 20% of our customers are doing 5,000 documents a day or more. Some of them are doing maybe 2 million. The bottom third, 30%, not even doing 100. Point here is that high volume is relative. If you've got a couple dozen documents a day and you got 1 or 2 guys to do them, you can't do those every day, all day long. You need to take the power of PDF automation and turn it to your advantage. How we doing? Lots of customers all over the world. Go Ducks.
What's other in your pie chart?
I'm sorry?
That's the forgetting. What? Can you go back to that?
Sure.
Do your customer breakdown there? What's the other?
When you do these surveys,
Under-
yeah, when you do these surveys, you get people who just kind of give you kinds of crazy stuff. And in order to keep the data valid, it's in there. Because if I take it out now,
Won't add up to 100.
it doesn't add up to 100. So, all righty, thank you guys.
Thank you. Francois, you're up.
Again.
Again.
So good morning again. I'm here to talk a little bit about the company that I'm working for, the Livigo Solutions GmbH, a German company. We're pretty well known in Germany and throughout Europe for our software to view documents. We have a viewer, and people are actually paying a lot of money to use it because we're more into providing toolkits for document viewing. This is what we've been around with for quite a while. And we're not only doing PDF, we can handle a lot of different formats. For example, AFP Modca, some in the print industry or the output industry might know that format, TIFF, etc. Document formats like that. And today I would like to talk a little bit about one specific product that is relatively new, and I would like to introduce you. First, a little story. This is something that I'm facing pretty often. I'm on the road somewhere on the world, and I realized, well, there has been an invoice that I was supposed to pay. It is well piled up on my desk at home, and I'm miles away from that document. So no way of doing anything about that document. What can I do to have those documents always with me? The obvious answer is, for the most, just use HTML5 and CSS3. But how does PDF and any kind of other document format fit into that? This is exactly where we're coming in. We have the so-called JEDIS Web Toolkit, providing document viewing, consistent document viewing, and document access, and to some extent document modification in a customizable manner. Again, we're talking about a toolkit for any kind of device that is capable of rendering HTML pages. So you get best of both worlds. You have the statically and pretty much stable layouting and content of PDF and any kind of other document format, combined with the flexibility of having that in web portals. And as I said, I don't need something that is actually looking in a specific way. I want to customize it in every way. These are two typical use cases on how our product is going to be used. Yes, I know the left side is German. Oh, the middle one too. But we can do internationalization too. And it's highly customizable to your needs. Actually, the core of the JEDIS Web Toolkit is the viewing pane containing that document content. Nothing else. Anything around is up to your integration, up to your choosing. And we have a lot of possibilities. We have a layering model. That means we can use different documents, compose them into one virtual document, be it either attached to one another or layering them on top of each other. Meaning you have a base page, you have something like an overlay, which is transparent, obviously, and in addition, annotations. Interactive annotation editing and storing within your browser without touching the original document at all. If you want to know a little bit more about our products, I highly invite you, I kindly invite you to my session tomorrow, PDF documents and HTML website, HTML5 websites across devices. What a title. But I should warn you, I will not have that many slides. There will be approximately 10 slides. The rest of it will be code. So it will be actually a tutorial on how to get started and how to integrate the JEDIS Web Toolkit into your site and creating experiences for specifically your needs. If you're not managing to get there, I will ensure that there will be a recording available. So I have no idea how much time I've taken. 5 seconds to go. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Francois. Okay. Next up. Yeah. Boris is here to talk about Dual Labs products and services.
Hello, everybody. I'm Boris Dubrov, and I'm CEO of Dual Lab. This is a company that provides what we call intelligent product development services, meaning we don't deliver end-user products, we don't deliver tools, technologies. We help to run your businesses. So we bring smart people close to your team, and we will share our expertise, especially in PDF technologies and graphics arts industry. We are also known in PDF Association as the lead developer for the Performer project. There'll be a talk tomorrow morning on this. This is an open source tool for PDF validation. Key facts about our company. So we started in 2008. We've got our headquarters in Brussels, Belgium, but the development center is in Minsk, Belarus, Eastern Europe. As I mentioned, we provide product development and quality assurance services, especially in PDF technologies, graphics arts, CAD/CAM solutions, and other complex technological areas. So we try to keep our team busy with very challenging tasks. Well, from technological point of view, we are virtually immune to technologies. We work easily with all kinds of programming languages and frameworks. So it's everything from C, C++ to web and mobile. And when it comes to collaboration schemes, we are very flexible, meaning we are doing small pilot projects, custom solutions, but also we are able to build a dedicated team for your purposes. The team is, for the moment, it's a bit more than 40 developers, 42 at the moment. We all enjoy the strengths of ex-USSR education, and we basically have strong mathematical background and the ability to handle really most challenging tasks on time. In terms of industries, that's our key points here. So as I mentioned, well, PDF technologies, especially the development around PDFA, PDFX, PDFUA standards, validation and prepress systems, workflow automation. Graphics arts, we've been dealing with digital image processing, rendering techniques, including PDF rendering, layout formatting, conversion of various layout description languages into PDF documents. Well, CAD/CAM modeling, that's a bit exotic on this conference. Plus, we are doing some current trends such as time-based data analysis, trading systems, and marketing automation. Well, technical expertise, that's virtually most of the modern frameworks used today. So it's C, C++, Java and .NET frameworks, big data infrastructure, HTML5 JavaScript development. Well, we are doing also plugin development for Adobe Creative Cloud. We are experts in PDF technologies, and we are able to work with both commercial and open source font libraries. And well, last but not the least is QA automation, which we consider as one of the fastest growing areas at the moment. And I invite you for my talk today in the afternoon about how we deal with various automation, QA automation tricks for our customers. I listed here, selected a set of our projects and customers. Some of them are known to you. Let's Perform, it's an open source PDFA conformance checker. InFocus Switch, that's a document workflow automation. iText is a PDF, dynamic PDF generation and manipulation library. Xicon, dealing with real hardware, digital front-end and digital presses. Chili Publish, that's web-to-print portal with an embedded web-based PDF editor. Altsoft XML to PDF, that's conversion of Access LFO to PDF, also known to some of you. And being very small, well, we count as small outsourcing company, we provide quite personalized approach, and we try to follow the needs of your businesses. And here and there we get this kind of testimonials. This one in particular is one of the veterans of PDF technology.
Thank you, Boris. And our last session in this particular segment before lunch, Ulrich is here to present for PDF Tools.
Hello everybody, my name is Ulrich, and I'm responsible for the sales department at PDF Tools. So who is PDF Tools? PDF Tools is a Swiss software manufacturer company. We are located 10 minutes about the airport of Zurich. Mr. Hans Barfuß, founder and CEO of PDF Tools, began using PDF technology in customer projects more than 20 years ago. Since then, the PDF and PDFA format has evolved into a powerful, widely used format, and of course an ISO standard that can be used for almost any application. During this time, PDF Tool has been developed into one of the most important companies on the market for PDF technology, and has played a significant part in developing the PDFA ISO standard for electronic long-term archiving. Actually, Hans would have loved to attend the conference and present his company. Unfortunately, he had to cancel the trip, and I'm taking over his session tomorrow when we talk about repairing and optimizing PDFs. PDF Tools started back 2002 with a sales office in Canada and development team in Zurich. We are still a small company, but have grown by now nearly to 20 people. The product portfolio of PDF Tools ranges from components to service through solutions. The product supports the entire document flow, from raw materials to scanning processes, through to signing and storage in a legally compliant long-term archive. An advantage of the components and solution is the broad range of interfaces, which ensures smooth and easy integration into existing environments. PDF Tools counts more than 4,000 customers, companies, organizations in 70 countries among the customers, making it one of the world's leading producer of software solution and programming components for PDF and PDF8 product. So why should you choose PDF Tools? First, prime Swiss quality. We have been dealing with PDF technology since 1994 and can fall back on extensive experience in developing PDF and PDF8 components. Every component is developed entirely in Switzerland. Solutions from PDF Tools are already running on thousands of servers around the world. So you will have a product with the quality of a Swiss clock. Secondly, simple integration and high user friendliness. You will be surprised how uncomplicated and simple it is to integrate and use our products in your system landscape. Our solutions are tailored to various requirement profiles and characterized by a high level of user friendliness. Use solution from PDF Tools and your partners and employees will be happy. Third, independence in your choice of platform. The choice of platform is all yours. Our solutions are not limited through exclusive alignment to Windows. On the contrary, our solutions run on all popular platforms. We consider flexibility to be more than just a buzzword. Fourth, maximum performance. High quality, high volume, high performance. These are the characteristics of our 3 Heights product family. Our software fulfills the highest performance specification. Its core technology has been developed using an efficient C++ algorithm. Our standardized interfaces enable application software developments in various programming languages. For instance, Java, C#, PHP. Last, broader scope and functionality. We offer probably the broadest product range relating to PDF and PDF8 technology. Think of a Swiss Army knife. Products from PDF Tool enable users to display and print PDF documents, convert them into image formats and vice versa, as well as analyze, repair, optimize, validate, merge, split, protect, stamp, and digitally sign. We are curious to see how you will integrate our solution into your business process.